We will now demonstrate the use of the software and the user interface. First, we need to log in. There are two main login profiles that we will be discussing. The first is operator. Password is operator, operator, and password operator. This is the main profile that will be used when the system is in use. Some of the functions are blocked and some of the menus are also blocked. This is to prevent accidental editing of parameters and accidental deleting of code. So in this mode, the operator has access to start and stop lots, to trigger inspections, and to zoom in on images. So here we zoom in on an image here. We have the black and white image and the color image. So we can move to an image. If we want to zoom in, we click here, zoom in, and we can look at some defects in greater detail. Those are the main functions in operator mode. Now we'll log in as developer. So it's developer, developer, and password is developer. So this is engineer mode, and we have access to all the menu, also all the code. So it's best not to leave this profile logged in case there is an accidental change made to the software. So again, we can start, stop lots, trigger, zoom, and teach new products. Also, we have access to switch on image saving. So we can see if we wish to save all these images on this screen for every inspection, then we first go offline to make any changes to the software, and then we select image saving off or image saving on. There are two image saving modes. The first image saving mode is a raw image. The second one is the image with all the inspection results on top. So all the green text and the pass-fail results. So for now we'll just leave on the raw image saving on black and white image and also on the color image. So next we'll look at editing the parameters. So we go into production, global variables, and now we have access to changing the inspection parameters. For example, ink centricity 0.1 millimeters. This controls whether the centration measurement is a pass or a fail. So this one here we've set to 0.1 millimeters. If any of the patterns are greater than 0.1 millimeters off from center, then it's flagged as a fail. So let's try that. Okay, go back online, trigger. You can see the results here. So these measurements are greater than 0.1, so they've been measured as a fail. Everything else is perfectly centered, less than 0.1. So if we want to edit this, we'll go offline, global variables, and let's edit that to 0.2. The second one is the centration specification for the clear layer. That's a different mode. So let's go back online, trigger an inspection, and now we can see that the measurements that were failing last time are now passing. So that's how we edit the centration specification in the software. So before we go back to running, we will always press stop and put the system back online.